Hello, I'm Kaya Bullets and I'm here to give advice to you. Before I begin, I would like you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Today's advice I give to you is about what HVAC means. Firstly, HVAC is a word to describe some systems that you have in your home to keep you safe via helping control airflow. The acronym stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. These three systems help control airflow in your home. One warms up your home, one cools it down and the other moves air in and out of the building. Now, you know what the HVAC systems do, and anyone that you know of that works on them, configures the system to assemble, disassemble or to fix them among other things.